Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I got this super quick braided Bantu knot style. So the night before I washed my hair and put it in 2 braids, so now my hair is about 95% dry. So I'm starting out by just sectioning off the 2 front pieces of my hair. Now you're going to take down the front section of your hair and make an angled side part. Now I'm just spraying a little water on my hair and using gel. Today I'm using Eco Styler gel and slicking up the sides. I'll put all the products that I use in the description box down below. Now you just want to take a hair tie and create a ponytail. Now you just want to do the same thing on the other side with the angled side part and create 2 more ponytails. Now that you have your 3 ponytails, you just want to braid each ponytail and wind them around to create a Bantu knot. Okay, now that that's done, you want to take the back of your hair down, spray some water, and get a curling cream. I'm using Luster's. They sent it to me the other day, so I just wanted to use it. But I'll put it in the description box down below. So here's where it gets super lazy. Since we've been on quarantine, I have not been wanting to do my, I got in my eye, don't do that. I have not been wanting to do my hair, so I'm not really getting super divine curls. I'm really just raking it through just to add a little bit of texture and a little bit of definition. Now I'm just wrapping that front piece around my finger just to get a little bit more of a curl, just get a little bit more definition. And of course, we have to do our edges and add some jewels that I got on Amazon. Okay, and these are the final results. My hair is dry here, and it was so easy to do. I mean, if you don't feel like really putting a lot of energy into doing your hair, this is a good style just to change it up a little bit. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.